uppy, you're a guppy. Little puppy, uppy, guppy.
Da 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 da. I will be right back. Hey, good morning! Good morning, guys. Hindi ako nag-vlog ng 2 days kasi meron ako mga extrang vlog, and also I've been practicing Role of Survivor. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm getting ready. Today is Monday and my husband is gonna be here and with my mother-in-law. So I'm getting ready because I just wanna be looking a little bit good. You know, just a little bit. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Dun, dun. Hello guys. Kunin ko lang itong mga jewelry ko eh. Kunin ko lang siya kasi napapagod na ako. Itong jewelry. Takot ako lalo na takot ako maputol kasi lahat ng necklace chain napuputol siya at saka inaano naman ng asawa ko, inaayon tawag ito. So ito din kunin ko siya, ha? At yung ginamit pala ko guys is moisturizer na pants. Anyway, after this guys, ito na naman siya. Ano siya? Neutrogena Triple Edge Repair with its SPF. Kasi kailangan sa mukha kong SPF guys. Lalo na kapag morning. Oh, before that, gamitin ko ulit itong si Superstay na Maybelline na ito. Gamitin ko siya ulit kasi I like it. Pork in the bag.
Pork in the bag. I was going to say, do you want a pork roast? Do you want spare ribs? You want bacon? You want pork chops?
Pork in the bag. Cook in the bag.
You want pork?
You know, in the bag, that means cook in the bag. Pork in the bag.
Pork in the bag.
I'm going to the grocery store to get some vegetables.
Okay. Is the snow gone?
Yeah, it's in our driveway. It's done. I'm just going to get vegetables because or else we don't have vegetables. Right?
Got it.
What kind of vegetables do you want?
I don't know. We still got a bag of string beans. Did you take that with you or is it here?
I
I
cooked
know you
it.
bought it in the store, but I don't know what you did with it.
I cooked it already and I eat it.
Oh, okay. Puppy, uppy, uppy, uppy. Puppy, uppy, you're a guppy. Little puppy, uppy, guppy.
Guppy, alright.
Puppy, uppy, uppy. Little puppy, uppy.
The guppy, right? I'm sure her head right now is tilting.
Puppy, uppy, uppy, up. Up, 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 puppy, up.
What are you doing, hon? You are funny, B-boy.
There's a big girl.
I'm not gonna start telling them that dad is coming because, you know, if I say that.
Then you got hours to think about you crazy.
Yeah, it's like until you come home. I love you.
Love you too, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
Bye,
Han,
Bye.
I love you.
I love you too. Talk to you later.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.
Tingnan natin sa labas. You're so happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Happy dog. So happy. She loves snow. You? Misty. You love snow. You do love snow. Look at that. Gusto niya mahiga sa snow, guys. As in talaga. Kakain. Snow addict si Roxy. Snow addict si Roxy. Roxy is snow addict. Tignan niyo. Ang ganda ng panahon. Hey. Yung kapitbahay namin. Lobat na ako, guys. Sit down. Mag-atras-atras lagi dayon ba? Don't atras-atras your hiney. Get down. Sit. 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 No, I said sit, not jump. Sit. Good girl. That's a good girl. Give me your paw. Ah, you're not smart. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. I not bite my hand. Get down. Get down. I'm rocking the boot. Boot. Ni Murux. Hi, mates. Get down, mates. Sit, Misty. Sit. Give me your paw, Misty. Sit down, Misty. Misty, sit. Sit. Give me your paw. No, it's just one paw, oi. Not two paw. Not two paw. Sit down. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Nay, napok ko pagkaigat. Nanang gina si Misty. Igat. Sit. Good girl. Give me your paw. See, kano. Who wants some bunsi? Who wants some bunsi? Who wants some bunsi? Oh my God. May mamatay na naman na bata na nagka-flu. Dalawa. Kinidikit at saka sa New Jersey. Hi! Anyway guys, I'm going to change the battery because nalulobat na siya. And katatapos ko lang talaga naglinis sa buong floor dito sa baba. Oh guys, kung magtatanong kayo, kung nagtataka kayo, kung ano yung lipstick na gamit ko is si Believer from Super Stay Matte Ink, Super Ink Matte, something like that. Sa bibilin yung ni-review ko. I think uploaded na siya, yung video na yon. Oh my God, na-addict ako sa Rules of Survival, guys. Na-addict ako, guys. I've been playing, guys. Okay, sana hindi kayo mahulog dyan. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Ay, may mga ano pa. Bahan. Yes. Ay, ako guys, nakakaloka. I still have to do video, Rox. I still have to edit video. And then magluluto ako. Kaloka talaga ito. Ayaw ko munang maglaro, guys, kasi wala akong na-accomplish sa mga paglalaro. Hindi tayo makapag-edit ng vlog kung hindi tayo mag-concentrate sa vlogging at pag-edit. Yun. No! Who told you I'm playing? Who told you? Who told you? Who told you I'm playing? Who told you I'm playing? There's so many toys over here. I don't like it. There's so many toys over here. I need a bin for your toy. Guys, nag-i-edit ako ng video. Nagtatry akong mag-edit ng video. Kaso, itong dalawang ito, especially si Roxy, nakaububot sa akin, oy. Tignan nyo naman, oh. Daki-dak-dak niya, oh. Balik. Asa niya? Where is your white daki-dak-dak? Where is your white daki-dak-dak? Where is your white daki-dak-dak? Where is it? Oh, it's somewhere. It's right there. Huh? Where is it? Dada is coming. Yeah, go get Dada. Dada coming. Dada coming. Go get him. Go get Dada. Dada's coming. Are you gonna go get him? Go get Dada. Look, take that. Misty, you're so cute. Go get Dada, baby. Go get him. Katingin sila dun. Go get him. Where is he? Where is your dada? Where's dada? Are you gonna go get dada? Da 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 da. Tignan niyo si Misty. Da 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 da. Dada, where are you? Go get dada, Mitch. Why gunit tayo, Mitch? Don't hold me. Why gunit tayo? Da 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 da. Hindi ka pareha yung ano namin ngayon, guys, rag. Hala, uyaw-yawan, oy. Hindi ka pareha yung rag namin ngayon, guys, kasi ang kapareha dito na dapat andito, nandun siya sa sliding door area. Right, Rox? Right? Hala, ano to? Tommy's coming. You don't know Dada's name, Tommy? Tommy is coming. Tommy is coming. Tommy. So, do you know that Dada is Tommy too? Are you serious, Roxy? Go get Tommy. Go get Tommy. No, si Ducky Duck Duck yung kinuha niya. Tignan niyo. Go get Tommy. Where's Tommy? Go get him. Tommy. Hindi niya alam si Dada ba or si Ducky Duck Duck. Yeah. Go get Tommy. Where's Dada? Dada. Dada. Hala, attack the bug. Attack the bug. Hala, tignan niyo si Hubs. Tignan niyo si Hubs. Look, 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 look. Hindi na yan takot, guys. Noon, hala, hala, hala. Roxy, behave. Tignan niyo. Oh, hindi lumalayo. Hala, nagyaw-yaw. What? What is it? La, Dada, sir. Tignan niyo yan si Roxy. Titingin yan dito yan. Go get him. Oh my God, Roxy, you're crazy. What are you trying to tell me now? Don't you dare talk to me that way, huh? Don't you dare talk to me that way. Hala, Dada, si go get him. Ano kami dito na busy. Pero tignan nyo yung isa dito, guys. Tulog, piyong yung mata, o namata na yun. Bumuka yung mata dahil pumunta ako. Tignan nyo yung isa. Yun lang ang life niya, guys. Higa-higa. Walang pakialam. Yan. Walang pakialam yan. Who cares? Doesn't care if Dada come. No changes. I'm still not the number one. Oh my God. You are such a baby to Mama. Oy. I love this cat, guys. It's just not showing because alam nyo, guys, palagi itong natutulog. So, hindi nyo alam kung gaano ko to kamahal. Remember, I told you guys that I don't want Hubs because I love this cat so much. But obviously, Hubs is close to me because he's as a bug. But this one, you don't have any idea. Sometimes she get me mad. But she is a cat and she's my baby. Yes, the pretty baby I have. La. The pretty face. Patay. Ikasok-an ako, guys. Are you mad at me? Okay. You have to wait. Dada will be here. Roxy, she's just like, she's speaking over there. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. I will be right back. I said, ala, nasuko. I will be right back. Be a good girl, okay? Ala, ayaw niya. Ayaw pa iwan. Ala, I will be right back. Okay, be a good girl, huh? Roxy, be a good girl. Be a good girl. Be a good girl. I'll be right back. I love you so much. I will be right back. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. This is my dog, guys. Very smart. This is my dog. So smart. What? You go. I will be right back. Be a good girl, huh? I will be right back. Ito ba?